Hello everyone, this is our exhibition hall. Now let's take a look. Let's go inside. Look at this way. This one is solar water heater. The liter is 300 liters. This one is 200 liters. And we also have split system. This part is water tank, and this part is workstation. And this part is flat plate solar collector. And here is support. Now we also have many raw materials. This one is solar absorb. This is the key materials of flat plate solar collector. Now we also have solar fans. About coating, we have blue coating and black coating.